Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to create a Revolut business account. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need a browser that we could use to sign up to Revolut. Now in this case, I'm using Google Chrome here, and from here we need to go to revolut.com. Now into Revolut.com website, we'll be able to see different information about Revolut. Now in this case, at the top right, you see a sign up button there, but we won't be using that because we need a business account. Now for us to create a business account, we need to go to the business page here. So let's go ahead and click on business. And from here, we have the option or we have the details that we need. So one platform for all your business finances. Now in this case, for you to create your account, just click on join now. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to follow the creation process for Revolut Business. Now, first, it's going to ask us, welcome to Revolut Business, so everything you need to run your business in one place. So in this case, we need to choose what type of account that we need. So we have a create a corporate account, create a freelancer account, or join a company. Now, if you're a business owner, I would recommend that you use the create a corporate account. But if you're a freelancer, make sure that you choose the freelancer account. For now, let's go ahead and click on the create a corporate account. And from here, we want to choose the country of the incorporation. Now, in this case, let's go ahead and choose a country here that our business is located. And from here, just click on continue. Now from here, we need to enter an email address. So if you manually enter your email address here, it's going to basically send a confirmation code on that email. And from there, you need to manually enter those details. But in this case, we also have the option to sign up with Google here, wherein it's going to automatically do that for us. In this case, let's go ahead and choose this one, click on confirm. And from here, we should be able to enter our email. Now, in this case, we need to enter our phone number in this next page. Now, from here on, it's going to request you to enter details about yourself. So that includes your current home address, your business address as well, and a bit much about your personal information. So you need to enter details as truthfully as you can, because this is going to be their basis on verifying your account. Now, if there are certain details that you provide that are falsified, there's a chance that your account might get investigated, and I'm not sure what's going to happen, but in this case, you just go ahead and enter all those details, and finally, on the final page for your account here or in the sign up process, you just need to enter your password, and from there, you should be able to create your account. So the process itself is kind of lengthy, so I won't be able to give you the whole section because those information are going to be really classified, and I won't be able to share it. But in this case, you'll just prefer your information that includes your data for your address, your business address, and a lot more, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.